Hey, hi, this is Mandar from Copper, and I am going to answer your question. How does a loan affect your credit score? Right? So, what's your credit score? Your credit score is nothing but a number that indicates your credit worthiness, and this credit score is provided by a credit rating agency or a credit bureau, such as CIBIL or Equifax. Now, availing a loan is directly linked to your credit score, right? So before you get a loan, right, the lender or the lending institute is going to check your credit history, right? And you will be able to get a loan only if, let's say, your credit score is above 550 or so, right? So the credit ranges from 300 to 900. If your credit score is above 550, you will get a loan. For lower credit scores, usually loan applications get rejected because you don't have an enough history of having a good credit score. Now, credit score is important measure for availing a loan, right? Because it helps to decide the lender, whether it's a bank or an NBFC, right? It helps to decide the lender the uh, how much risk they have in terms of giving out this loan, right? So if your credit score is high, right, then your if your credit score is high, then your lender doesn't have basically any problem, right? They know that you are going to repay, or it's highly likely that you're going to repay the credit or the loan that you have taken on or from them. The lender doesn't face any risk of losing the amount money that they have given you to as a loan. If you have a lower credit score, on the other hand, right, uh, it kind of creates a doubt in the mind of the lender that this person might not be able to repay the loan on time, right? So it makes lending a riskier proposition for the institute, right? So the sanction of your loan will depend on your credit score, right? And whether you pay the loan on time or not, right? Your credit history, your credit repayment also affects your credit score. So one is getting a loan, you require a credit score, a good credit score. And second is, once you get the loan and you start repaying the loan, your credit history improves, and so does your credit score, right? So usually 750 to 900 is considered as a good range for a quick approval of a loan, right? This usually means that the customer is surely going to pay the loan on time, right? Just to summarize, uh, credit scores are directly linked with the loans you have, whether it's a loan on the credit card, personal loan, or whether it's a home loan, car loan, right? Higher the credit score, higher is the chance for getting a quick approval on the loan. And repaying your loan on time, repaying your EMIs on time, will improve your credit score, and vice versa, right? So credit score is the basis of getting your loan approved, right? uh, Comment below and let us know if at all, at any point of your life, you have faced rejection in terms of getting a loan sanctioned or a credit card sanction, right? Just to give you one small example, when I came back from the United States in 2010, I had last worked in India in 2006, right? So I didn't have any credit history for 4 years, right? So there was a gap, and American Express came to my organization back then, and I signed up for a credit card, but my application was rejected because I feel that I didn't have sufficient credit history or a good credit score back then, right? And now the same company comes back to me asking for me to avail a credit card, right? So over a period of 10 years, the credit history or credit score has improved. So there would be different institutions that will approach you to get a credit card, right? So if you face this problem or this situation, do let us know in the comments. Have a good day.